This is OpenBOM working right inside SolidWorks. No server, no IT setup, just a file manager right in your CAD session. One click locks every file you're working on. Anyone else on the team can see it's locked before they even open it. Now, the whole assembly is checked out to you. No overwritten work, no surprises. Hit SmartSync. Update a part, save the assembly. SolidWorks works exactly the way it always has. Then, your changes upload automatically, no manual renaming, no dragging files anywhere. Every sync creates a new version automatically with a full history you can open anytime. See exactly what changed and when. Try to edit a file someone else has locked, and OpenBOM stops you right there. That's file locking, smart sync, and version control. No server, no IT setup, no manual renaming of files.